Hello, I'm here today to review the Simpsons Do Science activity that we are going to be completing in class today. So, if you were part of the lesson yesterday, or if you were absent and you watched our video on the scientific method notes, you know that in any good experiment, there's going to be an independent variable, a dependent variable, a control group, an experimental group, and then, of course, you're going to write your conclusion. So, with that being said, in all of these examples, there's 4 examples in total. You're going to have to do just that. You're going to have to identify the 2 variables, the 2 control groups, and then your conclusion is basically a final summary to tell me if, in fact, it worked, it didn't work. Should you buy the product? Should you not? Should you, it's kind of an overview. So we did this on The Simpsons because I know many of you guys watch The Simpsons and like The Simpsons. So we kind of created this activity for you. So let me read it aloud to you, and then I will write or kind of help you kind of go through the first one. And then the last 2, 3, and 4, we expect that you can do it on your own. So it says, Smithers thinks that a special juice will increase the productivity of workers. So productivity means how effectively they're going to work or if they're going to be good workers or not. Okay, when they go to work, they're going to do their job, produce whatever they need to in an effective way. So he creates 2 groups of 50 workers each and assigns each group the same task. In this case, they're supposed to staple a set of papers. Group A is given the special juice to drink while they work, whereas Group B is not given the special juice. After an hour, Smithers counts how many stacks of paper each group has made. The results are Group A made 1,587 stacks, whereas Group B made 2,113 stacks. So your independent variable in any experiment is what does the scientist change? So if you look at this experiment, what he changed was actually the presence of that special juice or not. So that's your independent variable, drinking that special juice. The dependent variable is what does the scientist measure? How is he going to measure if that special juice worked or not? So in this case, it's how much they stapled the stacks of paper. So how many stacks of paper did they staple in that time period of an hour? The control group is going to be the group that basically does not have the independent variable. So if you read in your background, Group A has the special juice, whereas Group B does not have the special juice. So your control group in this example is Group B, the group without the special juice. And then on the other hand, the experimental group is the group with the independent variable, which in this case is the special juice. So that's going to be Group A. Your conclusion, if you look at your results, Group B actually did a lot better than Group A. And Group B was the group not given the special juice. So if Smithers was thinking that the special juice increased the productivity of workers, should he give all of his workers the special juice? Is it worth it? The correct answer is no, it is not worth it. The special juice does not work based on this experiment that he set up. Okay, so you're going to fill in those respective blanks. You're going to do, question number 2, 3, and 4. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. We would love to help you with the remaining ones if you need it. Thank you so much.